They say you shouldn't talk with food in your mouth, but I got some lumber and I'm gonna do some things backwards and half-assed because it's supposed to rain in the next 2 or 3 days. So I'm not gonna finish putting the walls up. I gotta figure out how to get a temporary roof on this thing. So I'm gonna do the I don't know, the rafter over the support. What is the name for that? What is ridge beam? Yeah, so I'm gonna hang some things with some posts in a ridge beam. Yeah.